In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Monday.com, whether you're new to this platform or a seasoned user looking to streamline your data presentation. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring you can easily visualize your information. Let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. This intuitive platform is designed for tracking tasks, managing projects, and enhancing overall team collaboration. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the familiar login button on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you're new to Monday.com, you'll discover how seamlessly it integrates with tools you already use, making projects smoother to run. Upon clicking Login, you'll see several options for signing in. Choose the Google option if you prefer a hassle-free experience using existing credentials. Select your Google account from the prompt that appears, and you're now logged into your Monday.com dashboard. Navigation here is quite user-friendly, so take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. Next, let's navigate to your board. This is where the magic happens, as it's the central workspace for your tasks and data. Depending on how your dashboard is organized, you might have several boards available. Find the specific board where you want to create the table view and click on it. For those who might be curious, boards in Monday.com are versatile and can be tailored to fit various project management needs. Once you've accessed your board, turn your attention to the top banner. Here, you'll find the View drop-down menu. This feature allows you to customize how you see your data, making it easier to focus on specific aspects of your project. Click on the View drop-down to proceed. In the drop-down, you'll want to click on the Add View option. This button is your gateway to enhancing how your data is presented so you can quickly glean insights and make informed decisions. Adding views isn't just about aesthetics. It's about optimizing workflow by letting you arrange information most intuitively for your team. Now you'll see various view options available. For our purposes, select the Table View option. Table views are particularly useful when you desire a structured row and column format for displaying data, akin to that in spreadsheets. Tables can help make complex data more digestible and actionable for both you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table view to your board on Monday.com. Remember, customizing views to suit your project needs not only improves efficiency, but also enhances team communication by keeping everyone on the same page. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to explore the different view options that Monday.com offers, which can further refine how your team interfaced with project data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful guides.